In this video, I'm going to show you how to take partials on TradingView mobile. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to sign into your broker. As you can see at the bottom right, I'm currently signed in to Paper Trading, but of course you can sign into any broker you want. This is possible inside TradingView, no matter which broker you use. Now, whenever you've done that, you want to, of course, place an order. So I'm just going to go and place an order over here, and I'm just going to buy 10 shares of NVIDIA, okay? I'm going to tap on buy, and there we go. That's the first step you have to do. Of course, you must own some shares of a specific asset you want to take partials on. Then to take partials, the easiest way is going to be to either go on your chart. So as you can see on the chart, it says I have 10 of those. I can tap on the X button next to it, and it's going to allow me to partial close over here. Or what I can also do, if I have like multiple orders and it's not showing on the chart, or it's just hard to see, you can simply go at the bottom right of your chart and then tap on your broker icon. Now for me, I have to tap on the TradingView icon. Then it's going to open it up, and here I can see positions, orders, order history, etc. You want to go to your positions. You want to find the position you want to partially close, or you want to take partials on. For me, it's this first one. I'm going to tap on it, and then from here you want to tap on close position. When you do that, it's going to ask you if you want to do a partial close. Up top, simply tap on partial close, and then here specify how much you want to close. So I'm just going to, for example, close 6. There we go, and it's going to leave a position of 4. It's going to tell you what the difference is going to be, and then I'm going to tap on partially close at the bottom right, and there we go. Whenever this updates, you'll see that I've successfully partially closed. There we go. Now I only have 4 remaining. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.